Welcome back, everybody, to our update about Beyond Meat and the continuation of bearish momentum down, even though we have a good news about partnership with of course, Walmart and Beyond Meat trying to sell its products in the stores and posting this market presence. Even though we have this kind of really major news, the price pull back. So we're gonna discuss where the price will go from there. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here for education purposes, and we're not financial advisor. So always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So first of all, guys, let us discuss this drop. Last time we discussed Beyond Meat one as on our Discord. So if you're not familiar with our Discord, guys, we always discuss Beyond Meat and other stocks. As you can see here, we discussed Beyond Meat once the price was around $3.42. We said the $3.65 is the resistance, and you see what's happened here. We hit the $3.40 and we pulled back. So we warned our hunters about taking profit there, and we did another update for the first early reversal from the 249 was really good entry, and we did mini update before that, even before this jump, and we already took some profit on this trade for Beyond Meat before this sell-off, of course, for Beyond Meat, as you can see here. So the link comes section below, guys, for our Discord and Patreon, where we discuss those alerts and those sell-off before it happened. So Beyond Meat pulled back 23%. What's going on? 1 billion, almost 1 billion worth of volume. So we have a big seller came in around the $3.40. We didn't hold the support around the 250, and now it's getting near a major support. From my opinion, we might have a reversal from around the 183. So there's too technical, for my opinion, guys, for the next week. That we might have a huge reversal and turning point for Beyond Meat to confirm that is not over, because a lot of you asking what's going on. First of all, let us discuss the two sellers that came in. First of all, we have the first seller was on Wednesday, huge pullback. This pullback was significant, and it was normal because the price is overextended 1000% in just a few days, 70% here. The other dip, it happened on Friday, we dipped 40%. So you see here, guys, we got normal reaction for the mini stock that jump really quick. Is normal that we have a huge pullback, but will be normal if we held those two levels. We don't want to go below the $1. So this will be a big sign that we have a bump and dump. However, if we held, the best case scenario is holding by tomorrow 183 or have a gap up over the 251. So this is the first signal that would confirm that Beyond Meat started to reverse over the $2.53 to be exact. For the next week. So if next week we have a dip in the pre-market, then we reverse 30% like what happened before. Again, this is not a coincidence, because the last reversal was here almost 40%, and here if we reverse from here we will be almost 40% again. So this time we need to break the 253 and go toward the 340 to confirm a reversal and hold over the 183. So this is by far the most important level, the first level. The second, bottom, I'm calling it bottom because this is will be the sign that we gonna have a sell-off. But if we held the 183, would be the best sign that the price will reverse and will be the best entry zone, from my opinion, for a huge reversal. So both two alerts, guys, around the 183, because if we broke it, we'll be ready to buy around the 129, which is a huge reversal zone. And again, I'm saying this is a huge interesting point to buy if we hold. If we broke this level, I don't suggest holding after that. The first sign or the first entry zone, if we hold it, of course, is the 183. By holding and breaking the 253 would be the best sign. And the best sign actually is by tomorrow having a gap up just nearly around the 253 will be a best case scenario. And once the market open, where we have the volume coming in, because usually the breakout happen in market open, and we might have a haltation if we broke at the market open around the 253. We're gonna discuss, of course, Beyond Meat exactly 30 minutes before the market open and our live streaming. So don't forget to tune in, subscribe, and put notification on. And thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.